The growing for mechanical keyboards highlights how comfort and efficiency matter in daily use tools, just like choosing the right wheelchair for a broken leg. Users recovering from lower limb injuries need more than just mobility. They require elevated leg support. List number: Medline comfortable folding wheelchair with swing back, desk-length arms, and elevating footrests. This Medline wheelchair is tailor-made for users with a broken leg. The elevating footrests offer customizable leg positioning, relieving pressure and improving circulation during recovery. The swing-back desk-length arms provide added convenience for transferring to and from beds or chairs. List number: Feather Mobility red cushion 13.5 pound silver frame lightweight folding wheelchair. If portability is a top priority, this Feather Mobility wheelchair is the gold standard. At just 13.5 pounds, it's incredibly easy to transport and store. The vibrant red cushion offers comfortable seating, and the durable silver frame is surprisingly strong for its weight class. List number: Drive Medical BLS 18 FBD ELR Blue Streak lightweight wheelchair with swing-away elevating leg rests. A favorite for leg injury recovery, this Drive Medical wheelchair combines elevating leg rests with swing-away footrests, ensuring better healing positions and easier transfers. The blue powder-coated frame not only looks sharp, but resists scratches and corrosion. List number 4. Drive Medical SSP220DDA SF Silver Sport 2 Lightweight Folding Wheelchair. The Drive Medical Silver Sport 2 is a reliable mid-range option that balances quality and price. It doesn't come with built-in elevating footrests by default, but they can be added. The padded arms, calf strap, and nylon upholstery ensure comfort, while the lightweight steel frame holds up well under daily use. List number 5. Karman 24 pounds LT-980 Ultra Lightweight Wheelchair Black. The Karman LT-980 is perfect for users who want a balance between lightweight build and premium features. Weighing only 24 pounds, it's easy to transport and maneuver indoors. The ergonomic armrests and breathable upholstery provide long session comfort.